Then I'm seeing the picture of the car. Can you make it do the picture over here?
Yeah, back up some. Good job. Yep, right there.
I'm take a picture of that car. I was not on the turn. That's a bit.
Hey, Ellie, can you go get me the other roller? The red one with the wheels? Over there to Ellie. No, don't walk on it. Bring it over here to Daddy. Have me go about her way. You're a great helper.
On her dad. I am actually hi. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, everybody.
Wait. That's amazing. He got ice skates. He got ice skates.
Yep, it's got skates on it.
Yeah, I want skates.
Alright, well now she's elevated. We're going to continue with the disassembly. I'm going to pull the front bumper off, emblems, grill, any other trim pieces that need to come off. There's some emblems on the back. Those are coming off here. Pull this trunk emblem, hood emblems, or the hood, SS louvers. Pull that emblem off the hood, sides, all that kind of stuff. We'll go ahead and pop that mirror off. Get everything stripped down, and then we'll start the prep work. As you can see, I got a headlight that's pointing to the sky right there.
Meow. Meow. Smile.
Yep, they're smiling.
They say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. They turn your head just a little bit, Daddy. They turn your head a little bit.
You might be a photographer, you know that?
You know. Wait. Yep, that's for wish, Daddy.
Yep.
Yep, that's for wish. Now. Hi. So nearly coming here. And now you hi. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi.
I'm gonna pop this mirror off. All the emblems are gone. Back bumper's off. Front bumper's off. I'll go ahead and drill out these rivets on this drill, get this off of here, and get that mirror off the driver's side. That removes all the trim on the exterior. And we'll wrap this video up. Alright, that takes care of removing all the trim and accessories around this body. I think the only other thing left to do is pull that piece off. Everything else is removed. In the next video, we're going to take into getting this clear coat off of this car and getting it ready for the final bit of body work that we're going to do. Got a couple little dents and dings, like you can see this one right here. Get those taken care of. Then we'll get this thing ready to repaint. My name's Erwin. This is Thrills in a Block. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to check out the other videos on the 67 Chevelle, also known as Project Motivation. We'll see you next time.